So hello everyone, today we'll be starting a new topic. So today I'll be starting a new topic known as time and work. So basically to time and work to ekta kam ekta kurule kiman time lage. For example there's a boy named A. So A can come duita manda dekhi A or B. Aro idu duita to gor banai ase. So they are building a house. So gor banawole A do gor banawole tai 10 days lage. Aro B do gor banawole tai 15 days lage. Alag alag kore ase means A babe alag gor banai ase aro B babe same gor do banai ase alag jagate. So A ba 10 days lagi jay 10 din lagi jay banawole aro similar gor ekta banawole B babe tai 15 days lagi jay. So itu duita gor ikilot ekdin taijon kam gorna ikilot milena kam grow kise. So taijon milena kiman time lagibo. So obviously common sense cholai shikule do bishi kom dilo because ikilote kam kore ase to ikolete kam bak korna grow. So how do we do this? So this type of question will come in NSSP in time and work. So time and work la portion deo. So inka question kina approach kuru do suppose question will be given A can do a work in 10 days or B can do a work in 15 days. So how many time will they take to complete the work together? So equal to kam gole kiman ho. So A do tai 10 days lo ase to. So 1 by A lo. It was the trick to 1 by A do ki jugli to 1 by 10 lo. Bujas na? Similarly B do kiman days lage tai 15 days lage. So 1 by B do kiman lo 1 by 15 lo. So ita tan equality kam kore ase lo, that is A or B. So 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 lo. So itu bijde 10 or 15 na LCM lo. 10 or 15 na LCM lo shikule to we get 2 5 is a 10, so 15. Next 3 5 is a 15, now 5 1 is a 5, 5 3 is a 15, 15 to the 30. So tajon la LCM to 30 ho. Then how much is 30? 10 3 is a 30 or 15 2 is a 30. That is 1 by A plus 1 by B do kiman ho? 1 by A plus 1 by B do 5 by 30. So 5 6 is 30. That means 1 by 6 is all. So 1 by A do ulta kore. That means flip side kore ulta kore. That means A do upper kore B do upper kore. That means A by 1 plus B by 1 ulta kore shikle to obviously it will be ulta kore. That means 6 by 1. That is kina ho last day. So the answer will come. That is suppose the ulta kore. That is A or B do ulta kore. Inga shikle to kiman holo A plus B the kiman hola is 6 days because 1 do liko kam nai nichi wala do. So total do 6 days lago. So equal 6 days lago kam grow. So inga grow mon this type of question will be done like this. So we'll be solving some questions that was repeated in the SSC, CHSL, CGL, etc. So first questions are A alone can complete a work in 12 days. A and B together can complete the work in 8 days. So how long can B alone to take to complete the work? So A to kiman din lage ase tai 12 days lage ase. I think you should write with me. That is next to A or B to kiman lage ase 8 days lage ase. So B to kiman ase najane. So we know that let the work done though 1 by A shortcut but guys the 1 by A is equal to 1 by 2 of nishan likwe because I already told you inga likwe. Next A or B though similarly same way 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to kiman ho 1 by 8 ho. So so sabi itu equation de 1 by a plus 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 8 but already 1 by a to man janin aso ki 12 days lage so itu substitute kori 1 by a la in place 1 by 12 likhe plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 8 so 1 by b to ekta side te rakhiwe 1 by 8 to ekta side ho aru itu alag side te jaishile to minus ho jao minus 1 by 12 so 1 by b is equal to kiman ho LCM loi 8 or 12 la LCM loi so it will be 2 4 is 8 2 6 is 12 2 2 is 4 2 3 is 6 2 1 is 2 1 3 so next 3 1 1 3 to the 62 12 to the 24 so it will be 24 so 8 how much is 8 3 is 24 aro into 1 opode 1 is equal to 12 how much is 12 12 how much is 24 12 to the 24 so it will be 1 by b is equal to 3 minus 2 to 1 or 1 by 24 so itu condition ulta upore photai that means b by 1 is equal to 24 to upore photai that is 24 by 1 so we get the answer as b is equal to 24 days so the answer is 24 days so I hope you got the answer next let's go same question if a and b work together to complete a work in 15 days b alone can do a work in 20 days so how much can a do so let's do that is a plus b to kiman ho 15 days ase aro b do 20 days ase so we can write as 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 15 nga similarly 1 by b is equal to 1 by 20 so itu b do man yete dali do that is 1 by a plus 1 by b to kiman ase 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 15 so kina koro itu 1 by a do ekta side rako 1 by 15 dinga rako aru itu yete jaishikile do ki ho jao minus ho jao 1 by 20 so we get this as 1 by a is equal to 15 or 20 la LCM loi 15 or 20 la LCM so first 2 ba shuru kore 2 15 na pro 2 10 is 20 next 2 2 5 is 10 so next 3 jao 3 5 is 15 or next 5 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 15 is 30 30 2 is 60 60 ho jao that means next this my question over the likhi do to avoid confusion so 15 or 20 la LCM to 60 hola je 15 how much is 60 15 4 is 60 4 into 1 ho minus 2 3 is 6 I hope you can do LCM so 1 by a is equal to 4 minus 3 by 60 so 1 by a is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 by 60 so condition ulta kore upore photai that means a is equal to 60 so a do kiman lagibo he will take 60 days to complete the work so this question has been completed let's move on to the next type of question ita do tinjon abo that is if a and b can do a work in 12 days that is a or b do kiman days lage 12 days lage aro b or c do kiman days lage 8 days lage and c or a to kiman lage 6 days lage so a or b b or c or c or a do kurina kiman nolai je iman nolai je and b kiman grow barje najine mon so first we can solve this 1 by a plus 1 by b to kiman aje 1 by 12 similarly 1 by b plus 1 by c do kiman aje 1 by 8 similarly 1 by c plus 1 by a is equal to 1 by 6 ulai je so tinda variable ase so now we will add all this that means itu or itu to add koro that is we can write this as 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by b plus 1 by c plus 1 by c plus 1 by a is equal to itu or itu add kore that is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 ho so ekta a yate ekta a, so it will come 2a, 2 by a. Yate b or yate b duita, so 2 by b. Or yate c or c itu q 2 by c is equal to itu 1 by 12, 1 by 8 or 1 by 6 to LCM lobi, that is 12, 6 or 8. La LCM shikli to 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 3 or 2, 2 1 is 2, next 3, 3 to the 6, 6 to 12, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the, so 24. So the LCM is 24. So ide tela ide 24 liko. Now ide 2 how much is 12? 2 how much is 24? 12 to the 24 plus 8 how much is 24? 8 3 is the 24 or 6 1 is 6 to the 12, 6 how much is 24? 6 4 is 24. So answer is now 2 by a, 2 by b or 2 by c. So 2 do common do 1. So 2 common shikli to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 do kiman ho, it will be 7 8 9 by 24. Now 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c itu 2 do upor de ro, so itu kita iti jao nichi do jao, that is 9 by 24 into 1 by 2. So sabi ita 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 9 by 24 to the 40, 24 to the 48 as 4 to the 8 to the 4. So sabi ita the question is asking to find b. So itu b ekla charibe. So remaining 1 by a plus 1 by c do yede dinas ro 1 by a or 1 by c do 1 by 6 ase. That means substituting 1 by a or 1 by c yede already dinas ro, to itu substitute kore, that is 1 by b plus 1 by a or 1 by c do 1 by 6 ase is equal to 9 by 48 ase. So we will be doing this here, that is 1 by b to kiman ho 9 by 48 aro to b to utate 1 by 6 to utate potile minus 1 by 6 ho 48 or 6 ta 48 or 6 la LCM lishikli to it will come 48. So 9 48 1 is 48 or 9 ase 6 how much is 48? 6 8 is 48. So it will come 1 by 9 minus 8 1, that means 48. 1 by b do 1 by 48. So koan is na upote utare itu didabe, that means b is equal to 48 days. So the answer is 48 days. So A will be the answer. So this is a very little lengthy question, but if you understood the concept, it is very easy. Now we'll be doing the same type of question. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days. That is A or B do 10 days lage. Next B or C do 15 days. Or C or A do kiman lage 20 days. So C kiman korbo. So we'll do the same technique, that is 1 by A plus 1 by B do 1 by 10. 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 15. 1 by C plus 1 by A is equal to kiman ho 1 by 20. So itya ido tinda ke add karo, that is 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So itu kina ho. So this can be done as this is like the previous one. So it will be 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by A is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So agade kura nishna a duita ase to it will be 2 by a, b duita ase to it will be 2 by b, aro b c dinda ase to 2 by c is equal to itu 10 15 20 itu LCM lo. So 10 15 20 the LCM will be, if you take it, it will be 60. That is 10 how much is 60? 10 6 is 60 plus 15 how much is 60? 15 4 is 60. Or 20 how much is 60? 20 3 is 60. That is 2 common to be 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 60. That is next itu 2 to udu side te potai di niche de. That is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 13 divided by 60 into 2. That is next ita ki preserve hoje c, this value of c. So value of c na jine to 1 by a plus 1 by b to already been as 1 by 10. So it will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by c is equal to 13 by 16. 62 is 120. So 1 by c diki na ho itu yede photai dile minus ho. That means 13 by 120 minus 1 by 10. So 1 by c diki man holo 120 or 10 do it will be LCM 120. That means 120 120, so it will be 13. 10 how much 120 10 2 of the 120. That is if we do this, it will come as 1 by c is equal to 13 minus 12 1 by 120. Same 13 the upper jaw 120 be upper jaw, so c will be 120 days. So the answer is D, that is 120 days. So next question, A and B can complete a work in 8 days and B and C can together complete the work in 12 days. All of the three can complete the work in 6 days. So how much time that A and C can work together to complete the work? So yede dina se ki A or B do kiman time lage? 8 days. Aro B or C to kiman lage? 12 days. Aro all of the three, that is A plus B plus C, it takes how much? 6 days. So ita to sob dina beze aro mon A or C, A or B dina je, B or C dina je, or A or C milana kiman hobo koise. So we know that 1 by A plus 1 by B do, yes we know we'll do like this, 1 by 8. Similarly yede taka to moi kurais de 1 by B plus 1 by C de kiman hobo? 1 by 2 of o. So similarly 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C de kiman hobo? 1 by 6 hobo. The first sabi first kina kuro sabi 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by B plus 1 by C do 1 by 6 olaise. So first sabi 1 by A plus 1 by B do 1 by 8 ase. To 1 by A plus 1 by B do 1 by 8 ase. So itu substitute kudu itu la value do. To itu la value edi dili 1 by A plus 1 by B do 1 by 8 ase plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by C do kiman hobo? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. So it will come to 6 or 8 la LCM de kiman hobo? It will be 6 or 8 la, it will be 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 3 is 6, 2 2 is 24. So it will be 24. So 6 how much is 24? 6 4 is 24, 8 3 is 24. That is 1 by C is equal to 4 by 3 to 24. So 1 by C is equal to kiman hobo? 4 minus 3 1 by 24. That is upper de C photai dile to C is equal to 24. So C la 24 days hoise. Next similarly the arak prakuri, that is 1 by A plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 1 by 6. Same equation that what is ida to say 1 by b plus 1 by c to 1 by 2 of is to mana a bajo. That means 1 is equal to 1 by 6 minus. So 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c to 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by a is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. So it will be the value of a will come to how much? So you 1 by a is equal to kiman lo. So I will do in the side. So 1 by a la value to. So I'm continuing there. 1 by a la value to 6 or 12 la LCM lishikli to 12 aje 6 to the 12 12 minus 1 that is 1 by a is equal to 1 by 12. So a the 1 by 12 aje or c do not turn right it 1 by c is equal to 1 by 24. So a or c bisar gushiro. So we will plus this. So ida a or c basha. So let's do it. That is 1 by a plus 1 by c kiman aje 1 by a do 1 by 12 aje plus c do 1 by 24 aje. That means 1 by 24. So kiman hoy do LCM lishikli do. So 12 or 24 the LCM lishikli do it will be 24. 12 minus 12 2 is 24 24 1 is 24. That is 1 by a plus 1 by c will be equal to 24 or to 3 o. So over the put a or c give over put so it will be 24 by 3. So a plus c will be equal to 3 how much 24 3 8 is 24. So 8 days. So a or c though together 8 days like go. So individually a will take 24 days or c will take 24 days and a will take 12 days and together they will take 8 days. So with this the time and proportion has been completed. So I'll be continuing the maths class. So thank you all for watching and have a great time.